I've been working on a little augmented reality project that lets you hit any surface and play it like a virtual drum. So you can see that when I actually move my hand downwards, it both plays the sound of a drum, then also makes that surface vibrate up and down as if it was the top of a drum. So you can kind of see, it creates this really fun kind of responsiveness, and it lets you visualize what you're actually hitting. So it's not just a simple matter of playing the sound back. So I can kind of go around to various parts of the world and actually see them respond as I hit them. So if I go over here, for example, you can see the table moving up and down. Again, I'm just moving my hand downwards to actually go and play the virtual drum here. Now you might notice that it's playing slightly different sounds as well, depending on what surface I'm hitting. So it is actually using the color of the surface that I'm hitting to go and modify the sound. So playing different sounds of drums, or actually change the pitch as well. So over here, I've set up sort of this little abstract virtual drum kit here with these different colors. And if I go and hit different ones, you'll notice how the pitch actually shifts slightly. And if I go and hit a white object here, it'll actually play the cymbal. And black should play the bass drum. So I can kind of go and compose different little songs here. It's a little hard to play both holding the phone and then also reaching out your hand to play. But you can go and just kind of play different things on it with these different notes and different instruments that it's going to play. And you can imagine you could hook up all sorts of different mappings instead. I just have a very basic one. There's also a number of ways you could go and visualize this instead of making the world bounce up and down. But I really like this visualization where it makes the entire world look like it's being played like a giant virtual drum that's stretching in and out. So this is just a little prototype app. It's not really reliable enough to actually create music, but it is a fun way to explore the world. And I'm hoping to use some of what I learned about hand tracking for this app and apply it to some maybe more practical things as well. Let me know what you think about this idea, if you have any ideas on how it could be extended, or if this is something you'd like to see in the App Store in its current form as well. Thanks.